In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WordPress to Salesforce in 2025, step by step. We'll start by opening your WordPress admin dashboard. This is where you'll manage the tools needed for the integration. Once you're inside WordPress, the first thing to understand is that there are several ways to connect WordPress with Salesforce. Common options include using a dedicated Salesforce WordPress plugin, connecting through form builders like WP Forms, Gravity Forms, or Contact Form 7, using Salesforce web-to-lead forms, or setting up an automation platform such as Zapier. The best option depends on how you collect data and how much flexibility you need. Next, install a WordPress integration plugin. In your dashboard, go to Plugins, then add New, and search for a Salesforce integration plugin or a form plugin that supports Salesforce. Once you find the one you want to use, install it and activate it. Popular choices include WP Forms, Gravity Forms, and Zapier-based connectors. Make sure the plugin you choose supports the type of data you want to send to Salesforce. After that, move over to Salesforce so you can create a connected app. Log in, click the gear icon, and open Setup. In the search bar, look for App Manager, then click New Connected App. Here, you'll enter the app name, a contact email, and the callback URL provided by your WordPress plugin. That callback URL is important because it allows Salesforce and WordPress to communicate securely during authorization. Within the Connected App settings, enable OAuth settings. Then choose the required OAuth scopes, including access to manage your data through the API, and the option to perform requests on your behalf at any time using refresh token or offline access. Save the connected app once everything is set. After Salesforce processes the app, it will generate a consumer key and a consumer secret. These are the credentials your WordPress plugin will use to connect to Salesforce, so keep them secure. Now go back to your WordPress plugin settings, enter the consumer key and consumer secret, then begin the authorization process. You'll be prompted to sign in to Salesforce and complete the OAuth login flow. Once that connection is approved, you can map your WordPress fields to Salesforce fields. For example, name can go to lead name, email to email, phone to phone, company to company, and message to description. Accurate field mapping is essential so your records appear correctly in Salesforce. Finally, test the integration. Submit a test form on your website, then log into Salesforce and check your leads or contacts section. Confirm that the submission appears correctly and that each field matches as expected. If everything looks good, your WordPress and Salesforce connection is successfully set up.